Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a replica of the Suzuki GSX R1000, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by a Chinese manufacturer. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Suzuki GSX R1000 replica comes in a minimalistic and compact signature Suzuki box with nothing much to it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale Suzuki GSX R1000 diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and almost looks like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this 118 scale Suzuki GSX R1000 diecast replica, and also make a side-by-side comparison of this diecast motorcycle alongside a Suzuki GSX R1000 which is manufactured by my store. And please do let me know as to which one of these are your favorite in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, both the Suzuki diecast replicas look quite good and unique in their own way. And all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Suzuki GSX R1000, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Suzuki enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Suzuki GSX R1000 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing Suzuki motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Suzuki GSX R1000 coming up. The Suzuki GSX R1000 is a sports bike from Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. It was introduced in 2001 to replace the GSX R1100 and is powered by a liquid-cooled 988cc inline 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine. After the GSX R1000 had been 3 years on the road and the racetracks, Suzuki put out a new version of the model in late September 2002. Suzuki's engineers had been working on 3 things that made a fast bike faster: the weight, the power and handling. The 2003 year's GSX R1000 was improved in all 3 counts. It weighed less, had more power and torque, and handled a lot better. The physical dimensions of the bike were almost identical to the previous year's model. The seat height and the overall height were somewhat lower, but the geometry of the bike was exactly the same as before. The already rigid aluminum alloy frame was newly designed and enforced with internal ribs. Also, there was an updated headlight and tail fairing. The frame as well as the wheels were now coated in black. And for further information on the GSX R1000, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing GSX R1000 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Suzuki diecast replica. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.